Hi everybody, welcome to Global Warming on page 104. Let's find the meaning of every single word. Global warming, pemanasan global. Temperature, suhu. Atmosphere, atmosfer. Greenhouse gas, gas rumah kaca. Life cycle, siklus kehidupan. Shifting, perubahan. Agriculture, pertanian. Disorder, kerusakan. Let's read the text. Global warming. Global warming is a natural phenomenon in which the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere increases. Scientists state that this phenomenon is caused by rising levels of heat-trapping gases known as greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. I think we have to anticipate the unexpected effects brought about by this climate change. In a warmer world, it is predicted that more people will get sick or die from heat stress. More frequent and intense heat waves will further contribute to this trend. At the same time, there will be some decreases in the number of cold-related deaths. Diseases such as malaria, now found in the tropics and transmitted by mosquitoes and other animal hosts, are projected to widen their range as these animal hosts move into regions formerly too cold for them. Similarly, plants and animals will find it difficult to escape from or adjust to the effects of global warming. Scientists have already observed shifts in the life cycles of many plants and animals, such as flowers blooming earlier and birds hatching earlier in the spring. Many species have begun shifting where they live or their annual migration patterns due to warmer temperatures. Global warming may also affect agricultural production. Farming regions such as California's Central Valley that bring in irrigation water from distant mountains may suffer as the winter snowpack, which functions as a natural reservoir, melt before the peak growing months. Crops and woodlands may also be afflicted by more insects and plant diseases. Agricultural areas will need to adapt to changing conditions, such as by shifting the types of crops grown or investing in drought-tolerant or heat-tolerant varieties. No one argues that global warming has become a big problem in the future. We need to find rapid and proper solutions to this, otherwise we will suffer from diseases and other forms of disorders. Answer A if true, B if false, and C if not given. Number 1. The increase of temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is called global warming. Number 1 is true, so answer this A. You can find this on the text on the first sentence of the first paragraph. Number 2. Global warming occurs only in developed countries which have 4 seasons. Global warming hanya terjadi di negara maju yang mempunyai 4 musim. It is B. False. Have a look at the first sentence of the second paragraph. In a warmer world, berarti di seluruh dunia. Number 3. Malaria is a disease which is caused by the extreme change of climate. This is B. False. Have a look at the second paragraph. On the fourth line, transmitted by mosquitoes and other animal hosts. Jadi penyebab malaria bukan extreme change of climate. Number 4, the life cycles of many plants and animals may change due to the change of the climate. This is A, true. Have a look at the third paragraph on the second sentence. Scientists have already observed shifts in the life cycles of many plants and animals. Jadi benar bahwa ada perubahan siklus hidup hewan dan tumbuhan karena perubahan iklim. Number 5, people can make use of global warming to increase agricultural production. This is not given, tidak ada dalam teks. Dalam paragraf keempat, kalimat terakhir, agricultural areas will need to adapt to changing conditions. Itu adalah cara dunia pertanian untuk bertahan dalam global warming. Number 6, the text above tells us about. The answer is B, the effects of global warming. Number 7, the writer's point of view about the issue is stated in the paragraphs blah blah blah. Sudut pandang penulis pada teks exposition terletak pada paragraf pertama, thesis, dan paragraf terakhir, reiteration. Therefore, the answer is C, 1 and 5. Number 8, the main idea of paragraph 2 is. The answer is A, the effect of global warming on people's health. Number 9, global warming occurs because of blah blah blah. The answer is the greenhouse gases. Have a look at the first paragraph on the second sentence. Number 10, the word due to in sentence 10 can be best replaced by the word blah blah blah. The answer is B, because of. Due to sama dengan because of. Let's find the reference of every single word. There in sentence 7, mengacu pada kata diseases. Subjek kalimat itu adalah diseases, such as malaria, now found in the tropics and transmitted by mosquitoes and other animal hosts, adalah post modifier. Kalimat intinya adalah diseases are projected to widen their range. Jadi, there adalah diseases. Number 2, it in sentence 8 adalah impersonal it. Kata it di sini tidak mengacu pada kata apa-apa, tetapi hanya digunakan sebagai pendahuluan. Number 3, they in sentence 10 mengacu pada kata species. Many species have begun shifting where they live. Banyak spesies mulai merubah tempat hidup mereka. This in sentence 16 mengacu pada kalimat sebelumnya, a big problem in the future. Now let's complete the diagram below based on the information from the text. The effects of global warming. The first effect comes from the second paragraph, the effects on the people's health. Number 2 comes from the third paragraph, the effects on plant and animals. Number 3 comes from the fifth paragraph or the reiteration. We need to find a rapid and proper solution to this.